Welcome, class, to Mr. Davison students and Miss Reinheimer students. Uh, this lesson is about understanding or identifying the place value of a given digit in a number. Let's remind ourselves, yesterday we started working on place value. Our target yesterday was I can understand place value. I can figure out basically what it means to have a place value. So Miss Reinheimer gave us the example of 183, and there are different place values depending on where the number appears or where the digit appears in the number. This 3 is in the ones place, this 8 is in the tens place, and this 1 is in the hundreds place. Okay, so today our goal is to be able to do that, to identify the place value of a given digit in a number. The tool that I'm going to give you today is the tool that Miss Reinheimer used yesterday. It's called a place value chart. So right now, I would like you to build this tool with me. I want you to go and get your whiteboard and build the tool. So pause this video, get your whiteboard and your marker, and get ready to build this tool with me. Okay. Hopefully, you have your whiteboard marker, your whiteboard, and you're ready to build this. Okay, so the place value chart is basically a bunch of boxes. And we label the boxes every time we make the chart. Okay? I'm going to make it nice and big so you can see from this distance. We are learning as fourth graders to make place value up to the millions place. The millions place is the seventh place value. So I'm going to make one of these charts with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 boxes. So you'll need to do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay. So there we go. We have a place value chart with 7 boxes. Now, pause the video and make your place value chart with 7 boxes. Okay, you should have paused your video and made that chart. Now let's label the boxes. What does each of these represent when I'm talking about a number? A number is going to have one digit in some or all of these place values. So let's take a look here. This first digit, whenever I write a number, the digit that's the farthest to the right, the one that's all the way on the right, is going to be the ones place. Now you can name this digit ones, or if you like me and you like to write a little fast, you could call it the ones place, the number 1s, right? These are the ones. So if I write the number 3, that would mean I have just 3 of something, right? I would have 3 ones because there would be a 3 in the ones place. All right, let's keep labeling. The next place is the tens place. Tens. Or if I want to, I can write 10s, right? This place value is called the tens place, okay? So if I put a 2 here, that means I have the number, let's see if that's visible there, 23. 23. When I start writing in black here, see if that's a little more visible on my video. 20. Oh yeah, that's a little better. Okay, 23. So in 23, pause your video and think, how many tens are in 23? Okay, come back. There are 2 tens, right? We have 2 tens and 3 ones. So that means in the number 23, I have 2 tens and 3 ones. Let me go grab my unit cubes for you here. Stand up and stretch while I am grabbing those out of my little box. Do, 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 do. Yes, good. Okay, so I can use these cubes to help me illustrate what I'm talking about here. So in the number 23, I have 3 of these little 1 cubes. There's 3 of them, okay? The number 23 has 3 ones. It also has 2 tens. All right, here's the 2 tens. Okay, so there's 2 tens and 3 ones in this number. That makes 23. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 2 tens, and 3 ones. All right. So, moving forward, what do you think the next place is? I want you to see if you can guess or remember from yesterday's lesson. Pause the video. What's this here? If I say a number that has 3 digits, how much am I going to say comes here? Okay, what did you say? Did you say thousands? Did you say 10,000? Did you say, I don't know? The answer is, after ones and tens, is hundreds. So if I put a 3, let's put a different number here, not 3. We've already had 3. Let's say I put 1 here. 1. If I were to say this number, 1, 2, 3, all together, I would say 100. So this is the hundreds place. The word hundred is spelled H-U-N-D-R-E-D-S. Hundreds. Or you can write the number 100, S. So this is the hundreds place. Remember, we're building a place value chart on our whiteboard. So I would like you to label each place value. You have the hundreds, the tens, and the ones. Ones is the farthest to the right, then the tens, and then the ones. Okay, I'm going to move through the rest of these a little bit faster so that you can label your chart. I want you to listen to me label mine, pause the video, and label yours. The next place value is the thousands place. Thousands. The next place is the 10,000s place. So that is TenThousands. And if I'm ever getting ahead of you, remember you can just pause the video and catch up. The 10,000s place. So we have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Next up, it's kind of a little pattern here. We have 1, we have the 1,000s place, then we have 10, and up here we have the 10,000s place. The next place value is the 100,000s place. 100, comma, 0, 0, 0. 100,000, S, the 100,000s place. Or you can write HUNDRED, 100, THOUSANDS, 100,000s. Last place, I warned you about this. It was coming. We're in 4th grade. We are talking about millions. Okay, this is the millions place. 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. That makes a million. Okay, those commas in there are separating these things out. We'll talk more about commas some other time. But this is the millions place. Okay, if you haven't already, pause the video and make your chart. Label your chart. Okay, welcome back. Now, anytime you get a number, you can fill it in from right to left in order to find the place value of a digit. And here's what I mean by that. Let's say I have the number 1,467. 1,467. Well, I'm not sure how to say that one even. I might not even be sure how to do that. So let me fill it into my place value chart. Careful. When we fill in the place value chart, we never start on the left. We don't want to start in the millions place. We want to make sure that our place value works from the right to the left. Okay, so I'm going to take the rightmost number, 7, and put it in my ones place. There's 7 ones in this number. 6 goes in the tens place. It's next. 4 goes in the hundreds place. And 1 goes in the thousands place. Okay, I want you to fill in your place value chart with 1,467. 1,467. If you can, I want you to say this number out loud. How would I say this? 1,467. If you said 1,467, you're correct. You can use this place value to help you say these words. This is the thousands place. 1,460. There's no 10 in there, but it's this tens place. 67. So how I want to identify the place value of a given digit in a number, so I can use this place value chart to help me. The place value of any of these is just the name that I gave it up here. All right? So the place value of the 7, well, that's in the ones place. Okay? The place value of the hundreds, or of the 4, that's in the hundreds place. The place value of the 6 is in the tens place. And the place value of the 1, well, that's in the thousands place. Okay, I'm going to give you just a couple more of these, and then I'm going to show you how to do the rest on Seesaw. Okay, I want you to fill in the number 567, 890 into your place value chart. Do that now. Pause the video. You pause it? Okay, 567, 890. 0 ones, 9 tens, 8 hundreds, 7 thousands. There's a comma between the thousands and the hundreds. 6 10,000s and 5 100,000s. Using the place value chart, you can now tell me what any of these digits is worth. What is its place value? Okay, so I'm going to ask you a question. I'm going to want you to pause the video and say the answer out loud. Say it to yourself. What do you think? Okay, what place value is the 6 in? Pause the video and say it. Okay, what did you say? Did you say it was in the 10,000s place? If you did, you're right. What place value is the 8 in? Pause the video and say it out loud. Okay, did you say it was in the hundreds place? If you did, you're right. So, today the skill you're practicing is going to be building this place value chart. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions. And then we are identifying the place value of a given digit in a number. That means you're going to be asked, what is the place value of the 8? What is the place value of the 7? And your answer looks like this: 100,000s, right? Thousands, tens. You need to say with a word what place value it is. All right.